Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. Welcome to the DB Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking off request. My friend Louise runs an elephant sanctuary in Phuket. We used to work together on this project, and she has requested a vegan recipe. So we are going to be making a banana blossom curry. Now, if you're wondering what in the holy heck this stuff is, it's banana blossom, which you can actually buy at your local Southeast Asian food store. Amazing stuff. All we need to do is give this a very, very rough chop because it's already in beautiful pieces. Shallots. The recipe for our curry paste is on the website. Now you can add as much or as little as you like, depending on how much chili you like. Tougher vegetables will go in next, followed by some coconut milk. A calamansi, or you can use a regular lime, sort of umami flavors. Tamarind, a little bit of fish sauce, a little bit, pinch of salt, a lid on, and leave that for a few minutes. Once they've stewed down, we're going to add in our banana blossom. Vegetarian curries are amazing, and I mean all those textures and colours are coming up all on themselves, but we're just going to enhance things a little bit just for the sake of your gram. We're going to add some fried shallots, some fried peanuts or cashews, a little bit of coconut. When you're plating your leaves, don't be afraid to go rustic. This is what really works with a curry. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen.